Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Happy Thursday night. Yes, it's Forex Talk over here. We are Thursday. I know we're not Friday. We moved Forex Talk over here over Thursday night now. So, no more Forex Talk over here on Friday. We are on Thursday night, 6 p.m. I'm still debating 6 and 7. This week, we're trying again 6. Last week, we tried 7. So, stay tuned. Follow me on IG. You'll know exactly the time. I'm still debating all the time, but 6 seems to be good so far. So we'll see. We'll see. First and first, let's welcome the new people. So welcome to you, welcome to you, welcome to you, welcome to you. Because I know there's going to be new people. Welcome to Forex Talk over Beer. What is Forex Talk over Beer? Concept is pretty simple. We're gonna crack up a beer together. We're gonna have a drink together. We're gonna exchange. You guys are gonna ask me questions, and I'm gonna give you some answers. I'm going to do some chart breakdowns, wins, losses, whatever. We can talk about dramas. We can talk about anything because it's Forex Talk over Beer. There's no limits, right? Hopefully, the goal is to bring value to you guys. So make sure to bring your question because those episodes gets fun when we get a lot of questions. So yeah, let's start with the first thing. We need to crack up this beer. So we did choose tonight freshly frozen. Freshly frozen is an IPA 7.2. Where's my zoom here? God damn it. 7.2%. Whatever. It's kind of flu. So let's do this first. Let's crack up the hey guys, if you don't have a drink right now, run to your kitchen, go grab a drink, right? Before we start, let's see if you have any question. Comments. Hello, how's it going, boss George? Long time no see, man. How you doing, buddy? Yuva, bonsoir, 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 Yuva, ça fait longtemps. Bonsoir, content que tu sois là, ça fait longtemps. Bad day, two loss. Oh, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Send me your chart. I'm going to try to help you out. Send me your chart. We're going to take a look at this. But yeah, first thing first, guys, let's crack up the beer. All right. Let's pour this baby. So again, this is new that I'm doing this on Thursday night. So I really need to build the audience. So please, people, as you come in, make sure to smash that like button. If you can share it to your story, do it. I can take any help that you want to bring. That'll be super duper appreciated. So yeah, so now we got this nice little beer. Hopefully you guys got yours. And we're about to do the official cheers before we get started with the chart breakdown. Oh, that smells super good. All right, so guys, in 3, 2, 1, cheers. All right. Amazing. By the way, guys, I do apologize for the look that I have right now. I look stoned, okay? I did a reaction to something. I don't know what's going on with my eyes right now. It's red, super puffy. I tried different creams, different stuff. Like I have an appointment at the doctor tomorrow, but man, it's painful because I feel like scratching my eyes like crazy right now. So I do apologize by the look I have. It's been like almost like a week and a half, 2 weeks that I got this. It's just super painful, but it is what it is. George, I'm doing good. A lot of backtesting to do this weekend. Oh, awesome, man. Backtesting are great. Backtesting are great. I did some backtesting again with the new swing approach that I had. And since then, it's doing super good, man. I'm almost not scalp. I think this week, I did not take one scalp, which is kind of rare. Usually I always find opportunity, but GJ was shit. GJ was pure dog shit. It was like, it was horrible. So I didn't have any really opportunity on GJ. So I just focused on swing on that one. Yeah, because basically I do scalp GJ. Mostly I still focus on one pair on scalping, one or two pair, which is GJ. It was GA, but GA for a year I didn't took any trade, which is kind of funky because the swing trade I'm having right now at 142 pips right now as we speak is GA, and GA I didn't took a trade on G since almost a year and a half, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. And the other pair I do scalp is gold. But yeah, so nothing much right now. All right, so enough talking. Let's do some more chart work. Let's bring up the chart. Let's start with GJ. Why am I saying it was shit? Okay, so hey guys, as you come in, you have a question, please fire those questions in the chat. I'm gonna go take a look at them in just a couple minutes. We're gonna talk about GJ. After GJ, I'll go take a look at the questions. Hey guys, cheers. Man, I'm fired up. I got my eyes, like my eyes are really hurting me, but I'm still fired up. I'm still fired up. Okay, so let's talk about GJ. GJ was in a shit area. Look at this red box. This red box is a no-go zone. All right. So I mean, how like it was not no. I was not about to trade this bullshit. So I was actually waiting to get out of that box and actually take a trade. But at this point, it was already too late because this move happened. When was it? That was like at 10 a.m. during the day. I was like outside for business, whatever. So I was not able to take that trade. And after that, we're just playing around here. Because don't forget, the main trend here on the weekly time frame. All right, so let's talk about this. The weekly time frame is still bullish on GJ. Okay, it's still bullish. The daily time frame is bullish at the moment, right? So we're still bullish. So I know that sometimes you'll take a scalp, and you can go with the 4 hour time frame, and yeah. Now I think at this stage it will be super dangerous to take a sell. The reason why it's because you're getting into this support here. If you see support, resistance, support, super crazy area here. So plus you got the weekly and the daily on the uptrend. So I don't know, man. We are right inside the daily golden zone right now. Just like, I don't know. It's just taking a sell right now. It's just like, sheesh. I will take a sell if the daily goes bearish. If the daily breaks this support, yeah, I'm gonna look at sells. But right now, I mean, look at here to the left. We still have like clean traffic here to the left. Once we break this resistance, yeah, 4 hour and now is bearish. 4 hours bearish at the moment. We're probably inside a golden zone, 4 hour golden zone. Are we? We're right at the safety net. All right, so we're right at the safety net. So yes, scalp is possible, but just like I don't like it, I don't. Like probably here was a great opportunity. Like it was like yesterday around like 5 p.m. Eastern, which is like kind of the starting of the Asian session. But I do not scalp Asian session. Fuck that shit. Yeah, that's too crazy. So yeah. So anyways, so yeah, GG needed that pullback, and now we'll see where we go from there. Before we move to another pair, let's see if we have any other comments, questions. We got George. Yeah, I think GG needed that pullback. Exactly what I just said. That's great, man. We are on the same page, buddy. So that's great. Cheers to that. Okay, so now let's talk about AUD CAD because AUD CAD was a trade idea that I had. I really wanted to take it, and the honest truth is I did took that trade for a couple minutes. And when I realized, I was like, listen, I'm already in a massive trade right now. And I'll show you why I kind of exited. Like I think it was like 4 or 5 pips profit. I was just like, for me, I just wanted out, because I didn't want to have 2 massive trade at the same time. Yeah, because I went a little heavy on that one. So not gonna lie, I risk 1%. On this one, I went to 3%. So this one is gonna be pretty massive. Ain't gonna lie. But let me show you why this trade was super interesting. Okay, and it's still super interesting. By the way, it's not too late. It's not too late at the moment. The reason why I kind of retracted my trade, it's because this candle is not closed under yet. It might retrace up, and if it do retrace up, I mean the weekly will stay bullish. If it does close under this, we are now bearish, right? And now we're gonna go for break and retest. So basically, that's what I was waiting. I was waiting for the break and retest. But I think it was way too early in that trade. I think this trade can still be valid, but maybe in a couple of days. If you look at the daily did close under. The daily is bearish. So if you want to go for intraday trade, that is possible at the moment, right? Because we got the break, we got the retest. We're gonna go look at the 4 hour time frame. 4-hour time frame are inside that golden zone. We did break under. We are bearish. The daily is bearish. So for intraday trade or even scalp, this makes sense. Okay, this makes sense, but maybe a little early. So after that 4-hour time frame, I went on a lower time frame, actually on the 30 minute. Was it the 1 hour or the 2 minute? Oh, wait a second. Was it the 1 hour? All right. So right here, this should be extended to here. So after this nice engulfing candle closing under the support, meaning that now we are bearish, I take the entry. I took the entry right here, put my stop above, and was aiming basically for a 3-2-1 on that one. Okay, so was basically aiming for a 3-2-1 because I knew that all this was still in place. It was not, the weekly was not closed under, so I was like kind of effy. And when I saw starting having problem like somewhere around there, I was like, you know what? I got this trade. I got G running super well. I was like, listen, let me close that. I didn't do anything, which I think it was a great decision overall. If this trade might play out, but I think it was a great decision because having two swing running at the same time, especially with one with 3% already, it was like kind of a lot. So I was looking at the numbers. I was like, you know what? Let's cut it short. So I think it was like 3, 4, 5 pips. I can't remember, but very very small profits. It's just like it was like close. All right, gone. I might enter that trade if because the 4 hour is bearish. Sorry, the daily is bearish. But if this week close under, we need to close under this support right here. So right now we're still there, but it's not closed. So next week, I think it can be a super great trade idea for a swing. Now today, as an intraday, yes, it still makes sense, but I don't like to trade the Asian session. So we'll see. Right now, the 30-minute is bearish as we speak. So yeah, I think there's a great opportunity for sells here. But yeah, so basically, I'm out of that trade, so I'm just going to remove that, just not to confuse anyone. Cheers, guys. Let's see. All right. So we got George. With your swing trading, are you going break even at 1-to-1? Okay, so that's a great question, George. This is something I did at first to build up confidence. Okay, that's something I did do at first to build up confidence. I was going to break even at 1-to-1. Now these days, I let it play out. I just put my stop at a place that if my stops get hit, I am 100% wrong. Okay, meaning that I accept the risk. If it hits, it hits, and I'm gonna let it play out. Because building up that confidence. Yes, I had some wins, I had some break even, but I got super frustrated because a lot of the time I realized that it went up. I put my stop at break even at 1-to-1. Boom, straight back to entry at one point, maybe a little lower, and bam, to TP, right? And I got so frustrated about it. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm gonna let it play out and see what happened. I'm gonna accept the rest. I'm gonna set it and forget about it. That's it. So I think that's the best. Well, I mean, that's the best way for me. That's the best way for me to do it now these days. But yeah, again, you can build confidence over it. Put yourself at break even. At least you're not losing money. But at one point, you get that confidence and you say, you know what? Fuck it. I'm in. I know what I'm doing. I got my confluences. I got my case build up, and yeah, I'm going for it. Let's see, Vulture, how you doing, buddy? Guys, as you come in, make sure to smash that like button, right? What do you do if you have a bad trading month? Okay, if you have a bad trading month, you need to put everything on pause. Okay, you need to put everything on pause, and you look back at your trades and it's like, all right, what happened? What happened here? You need to investigate. So first, you need to journal. Okay, so that's something I kind of stopped for a while because I got used to it. I was journaling and blah blah blah. Now I'm getting back at journaling, and the reason why is because swing is a little new for me still, for like maybe less than a year, couple months. So I want to still analyze and study those trades, but you need to make sure you're able to study your trades. Why did you lose? So that's the first thing. Why did you lose? You need to understand, why did I lose? Did I executed my plan? First of all, do you have a plan? How many trades do you took during the day? That's the more. What kind of strategy are you going for? Are you going for scalp? If you're going for scalp, how many trades that you took during the day? If you're taking more than 1 to 2 trades a day, that's no good. No good at all. How many pairs are you trading if you're scalping? If you're swing trading, like how you're trading it. So you need to have a trading plan. Did you respect your trading plan? So you need to know why. And now, if you have a bad month and you analyze that, now, before starting a new month, you're gonna go back on demo. Okay, go back on demo. Okay, something I used to tell a lot of people is like, listen, if you have 3 losses in a row, stop. Go back on demo. You need to win 3 wins in a row to be able to go back in a live market. Okay, I know it sounds stupid like this, but let me tell you, it's a pretty good challenge. Because back then, I remember, and you can ask. I got a couple of students that was with me at that time, and I had a bad sequence, and I did a couple of losses. And you know what? I'm going back on demo. I'm going back on demo, and I went back on demo. And you know what? I was winning 1, winning 2, and the third one I lost. So you need to start from scratch. You're starting from 0. So now you need to win 3 in a row. So you got 1 win. The second is a loss. Shit. Okay. 1 win, 2 win. Third one's a loss. Shit. Need to go back. 1 win, 2 win, 3 win. Cool. Go back on live. Right. So you need to win 3 wins in a row to be able to go back on live. So that's a little tips. It's gonna actually build your character. And not character. Can you say character? The fuck, I'm looking for my English word, but whatever. It's gonna build your strength, and you're gonna go over it. So but a bad month is okay. You know what? Everyone has a bad month once in a while. Just like it's human. It's part of the game. It cannot be super good every time. If it's super good every time, that's sketchy. Like someone's not showing you the right stuff. Because everyone at one point has a hefty month. Just like, let's put it this way. So hopefully that answered the question, Voltron. And if not, let me know and ask me another one. But hopefully that answer. All right, guys, as you come in, this is new that I'm doing this on Thursday night. This is brand new. This is the second time we're doing that on Thursday night. So please smash that like button. Help me out here. Build up the audience. I need your help. All right, so cheers. Let's talk about AUD/USD. No. Let's talk about, where's my trade? Where's that trade? Bam! Oh shit! Here's a monster trade, guys. Here is the monster trade. You guys ready? You guys not ready. You guys are fucking not ready for that trade. That trade is oh shit. It did hit TP. When was it? When it was on the 6th of March. That was, when was 6th of March? 6th of March was, hold on 1 second. 6th of March was Monday. Okay, cool. So this was Monday. Okay, so let's talk about this. Let's go from scratch. Let's go on the weekly. Now I'm gonna work with you exactly what was my thought process. So guys, if you need to take notes, take notes. Man, that trade right now is playing out super good. Trying to show it to you guys. 142 right now. 142.5. Can we see it move? So people don't think it's a screenshot. Wait a second. Oh, here we go. It moved. 142.1, 142.3, whatever. It's slow right now because market just opened right now. So anyways. Yeah. Anyways, all right. So let's talk about Euro NZD. All right, Euro and was it Euro NZD? What the fuck am I? What? Yeah. Let's go to the weekly. All right, cool. So all right, so if you look, let me put the screen bigger. Okay, so first, okay, let's see here. Yuva, okay, we got your chart here. So let me do this breakdown, Yuva, and we'll go straight back to your chart and see what happened there. But bear with me. We're gonna go through this one first, and we'll go through yours. Yes, this will help me a lot. Thank you. Very appreciated. Very welcome. I mean, Voltron. Very welcome. I'm there for that. I'm not expecting like 2,000 people. Even if we used to have like 100 people and 1,000 people on this channel. If you look at my most view videos on live, we had 1,000 people sometimes. But I'm building back the audience. I took a huge break. So that's why now the algorithm is not pushing my way. So I need your help, guys. I need your help. Okay, so please smash that like button. Right now, we should be at least 10 to 10. We have like 11 people right now. We should have 11 likes, So guys, help me out here. All right. So it takes literally 1 freaking seconds, and I'm giving you knowledge and nuggets here. So that's the only thing I'm asking for in returns. I'm not asking for money. I'm not asking for anything. Just a little like, and if you can, share it. So now that's enough talking. Let's talk about this trade. Okay. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be really, really upset, guys, if you're not, pushing that like button. I will take it personal. Like, shit, am I not bringing value to this channel or what? I think I am. So please, guys, show me that I'm bringing some value here. Cheers. Okay, so let's talk about your NZD. So the trade was very simple. So we need to establish, first of all, where is the weekly time frame? The weekly time frame is bullish. Okay, so we are moving bullish. Okay, so we're creating higher high and higher lows, and etc. So we're moving bullish. Cool. The daily is bullish. Oh, sorry. First thing first. Okay, here let's establish that. The weekly was bullish, but the daily at the moment of the trade was bearish flipping to bullish. Okay, I'm explaining here. Sorry, my dogs went crazy. So here, if you see here, trade was, if you look here, we're creating higher high, higher lows. Yeah, higher lows. I always have a hard time in English. Sorry. Higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, so the daily is bullish. Sorry, that was the 4-hour time frame. That was FE. So the daily, the weekly is bullish at the moment. Cool, perfect. I established, between there and there, had my fib here, the yellow box right there. This is my golden zone on the daily time frame. So I was expecting price to have a reaction in this area. Now, if you go check the 4-hour time frame, this is where we had the time frame going bearish to bullish. Okay, so let's see. So here we were bullish, and bam. All right, so we close under that low right here. So we flipped bearish. We had this double bottom here. All right, so we had this nice double bottom here, and we had the break above the neckline. So I was like, all right, great. By the way, the orange line that you see there, this is my safety net on the fib. So I was like, all right, if we do break above, if we do close above, sorry, we're still respecting the safety net, so we're still good to go. So we got the golden zone here, and we got my safety net here. So we got the double bottom, we got the break above the neckline, and we got the retest candle, poof, the engulfing candle. But I did took the trade earlier than that, because what I did is, this is the magic trick right here. That thank you to Alex. I went on a lower time frame, and I waited for the lower time frame to break and retest here. All right. Was it only 30 minutes? I just want to make sure, guys. Yeah, right here. All right. So that was straight on that 30 minutes. So we were bearish, flipping bullish, break above. Okay, right here. So we did break this resistance right here. And we had the retest. Nice engulfing candle. This is where I took my entry. Place stop under here. Couple pips under that support. And the reason why, it's because if we move down this support, now we're flipping bearish on the lower time frame. meaning that now I'm completely wrong, right? So this is exactly how I did it. Stop was like 19.2, so almost 20 pips. And how I set up my TP, let me show it to you. Where am I? Boom. All right, cool. Wasn't a weekly. All right, so we had this weekly. Oh, wait a second here. Where is it? It was the fill of that wick. Where was it? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah, it was this H4 resistance right there. All right, cool. So I did put it like right at this H4 resistance, and this was my TP. And this was an 821 RR. Bam! All right, so yeah, I'm pretty excited because this is my second biggest RR. And yeah, it played out super nicely. And one thing that people do, and I talked about that last week, and guys, make some notes. People study their losses more than they study their wins. And this is a big, big fucking mistake. You should take your wins and study what worked with your wins and rinse and repeat. Okay. So now I'm studying this. I'm like, okay, now I need to look for the exact same fucking setup. Okay. Or same kind of things. Not going around, yeah, but this and this and this and this and blah, blah, blah. Go around with the same kind of stuff. Okay. So that's really, really important. Guys, smash the like button as you come in, please. Welcome to the new people. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. Now we're moving on to Thursday night. We used to be streaming on Friday night while we're moving on Thursday night. So that's why we need to build back the audience because people don't know yet that we're streaming on Thursday night. So please, I need your help, guys. Cheers. So do we have any question about this trade? Let me go check the question and comments. Because this trade was pure fire. This trade was freaking fire, guys. Freaking fire. Let's see. By the way, Yuva, I didn't forget about you. We're gonna go to your trade in a second. Okay, perfect. Plus one like. Thank you, Voltron. What beer drinking? Oh, tonight is the bam. Tonight is freshly frozen. It's an IPA, 7.2%. Yeah. So what are you guys drinking? Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys drinking tonight, and where you guys from. Tony, howdy, how are you, man? I'm good, Tony. What's up, man? What is up? Jason, what was the previous time frame with the pullback and engulfing candle? All right, let me show it to you. All right, cool. So that was on the 30-minute. Let me show it to you right here. Boom, boom. All right, cool. So we had the break and the retest here. We got the engulfing candle on the 30-minute. So I'm either entering mostly now these days on the 30 or the 1 hour, sometimes on the 2 hours, rarely, but mostly 30 or 1 hour. I'm waiting for that shift of structure. And yeah, so basically that's what I'm waiting for. Make sense? And if you look on a 4 hour, the reason why I was waiting to be above, it's because this was the low, right? So we were bearish and we needed to break. We needed to break this area to go bullish. Hopefully that makes sense. Do you still not showing what? Okay, wait a second. Do you still not showing your real result? No, I'm always showing my real result. Yeah, as you can see, I'm always showing it here. And let me show it to you. This is a live account. I don't know if you can see it. What if I'm gonna post a screenshot? Yeah, it's always in a live account. So yeah, I'm always showing it. Oops. Okay, 4 hours. I think I lost. Well, 4 hours was the break and retest. Was the break and retest above the neckline mostly. Let's see here. It's a great trade. I don't trade that pair, but great setup. Yeah, thanks, man. I was not trading that pair either before, and now I want to talk about that. Scalping, I focus on 1 to 2 pairs. But swing trading, the problem is if you're waiting. Okay, let's restart this. If you're swing trading and you're swing trading on one or two pairs, you're in deep shit because sometimes you gotta wait weeks for setups. Okay, so if you're only waiting trading one pair, you can wait like 6 weeks before setups show up. So that doesn't make sense. So now that's why I'm looking at more pairs these days. But yeah, um, I love your TV layout. Oh, thanks, buddy. Thank you, George. Thank you, Jason. Okay, so now let's move on to Yuva's chart. Let's see here. Let's try to do this here. So we got. Can I copy paste this right here? Give me one second, you guys. We're gonna go look at not Jason, but Yuva's chart and try to see what happened here. Copy link to the chat. Boom. Let's do this. So here we got N John X W Mama Victor U L. Let's see. There we go. Cool. All right, Yuva. So let's see here what happened. So this is GJ. Okay, so this is GJ. GJ sell. I sell hit. This is on the 30-minute. Took sell right here. Oh. Okay. So let's see here. Boom. All right. So first thing first, you took a sell when that 30-minute was bullish. So the 30-minute was bullish at this stage. So if you look, can you see my? Can I draw from this? Let me see. Can you guys see my arrow moving? I don't know if you guys can see my arrow. I need to confirm that. Can you guys see my arrow? Let me know. Let me know in a comment right away. Market was too bullish for sales at that point, George. Yeah, we can see it. Okay, cool. Okay, so yeah, so the thing is, you try to sell in, even if you're trying to scalp, this was bullish. All right, so here we were bearish, and once we break this high, when we break this resistance right here, we flip bullish, and now we're creating higher highs. So we were bullish right here, and you try to sell on a small bearish candle also. So if that blue candle was smaller and this was engulfing, so at least you had a little hint to go lower. But yeah, no. Even if we break the low here, it's just like, I know you might add taken the sell on the break of the low, maybe. I don't know if it was an impulse sell. But yeah, the problem was you were into a bearish trend. Sorry, let me do that again. You are into a bullish 30-minute trend trying to take a sell, which I think this was the error here. So hopefully that makes sense and that answers your question. Let's do this here. Cool. Let's see. Yes. Okay. George says market was too bullish for sales at that point. Yeah, we can. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Let's move on to. Did I talk about today's trend? Today's trade. GA. All right. So let's talk about this trade here. So here, thank you. You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome, man. And don't be shy, man. Don't be shy. Hit me up in my DM if you need help. Be my pleasure. Again, I'm trying to do this for you guys. And don't forget, I'm live every Tuesday night. So if you want to bring your chart, bring it on Tuesday morning. I'm trading live with you. All right. So this trade right now is still in play. As you see, sitting up at like 140 pips. And yeah. All right. So now let's talk about why and how. Okay. So let's put the screen bigger. Cool. So you'll see this is really similar to what I did with not GSR but Euro NZD. Yeah, Euro NZD. Cool. Okay, so first, here, if you look at the weekly here, boom, 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 boom. All right, so here we had the weekly here flipping bullish. Okay, so now if you look at the daily here created boom, 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 and we finally broke that resistance. Okay, flipping bullish. And the reason why I'm saying this, it's because let's say here. All right, so let me do it with you guys. All right, so here we are not going to count that as an elbow, bearish. All right, so here we're bearish, right? But once we break this, we are flipping bullish. Now we flipped and we broke that low. Now we turn back bearish. We creating a lower low, so we're definitely bearish again. Here we're still bearish, bearish, bearish. Here this is just nothing. We're still bearish at the moment. Here we did flip bullish because we broke that low, right? But I'm still waiting to break this area because this is the weekly area and I want to break. Okay, so now that I got the daily bullish, I'm just waiting for the weekly to break above here. So we did break, so now we're above here, and the daily and the weekly is bullish. Awesome, cool. So now we need to move down to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame is bullish, as you can tell. So once we established that the weekly, the 4-hour is bullish, what I did is I want to establish where can be my my higher low. I was having confusion with this in English. I want to establish where can be my higher low on a 4-hour to take that trade, either a higher low confirm or potential higher low. So what happened here, we established sorry, it was from there to there, sorry, right here, because this is the beginning of the push right here, right? So from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, boom, we got our golden zone right here. And plus it's a retest of the weekly zone, which is amazing. It's the second confluence. Plus we add a huge ass rejection wick right here, which is massive confirmation for me. Awesome, cool, perfect. So now I got my potential sorry, higher low here, massive rejection inside the golden zone, retesting weekly structure. This is perfect. This is perfect. And we're building up the case right here. All right. So now the 1 hour for that pullback, we need the 1 hour to go bearish. Oh, wait a second. All right. So to get that pullback on the 4-hour, we need the 1 hour to flip bearish, right? So actually here, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. So we flip bearish. So now what I wanted is I wanted for the 1 hour to flip bullish. Okay. So that's what what the fuck happened here? I took it on 2 hour. Just want to make sure here. Oh yeah, on a 2 hour. So you see, I said really rarely. This one was taken on a 2 hour. So here we had the 2 hour, the 1 hour go bearish. And once we broke and closed above this resistance here, this time frame flipped bullish. So I was like, all right, this is it. I got my engulfing candle. We now flip bullish. We got massive rejection. 4-hour, daily, and weekly are bullish. All right, that's it. I'm done. I'm in. So yes, it's a bigger stop. I put my stop under the support because if we do break that support, I am 100% wrong. And you know what? I went and draw down. Why? Because price need to fluctuate and it once created a higher high here. If we create a higher high, we need a higher low. So obviously that we're going to go and draw down 1 point. I hold the trade, made confidence, and now we're just creating a higher high. So price might go down now at this point, creating, a higher low to eventually go to my TP, and that's okay because price need to fluctuate. Damn. 6:42. Woo, sheesh. Doing some overtime here. All right, so let's see. Hopefully this helped you guys, because this is exactly what I'm doing right now these days. Not hiding anything, just giving you everything right now for free.
For free.
Cheers, guys. So hopefully that, guys, that helped you guys. Any question? Let's see. Any question? And guys, don't forget, I'm live on Tuesday morning. So now I'm doing the double T, Tuesday and Thursdays. Damn, that's the double T's. I think I'm gonna start market there. So yeah, so am I gonna be panicking if I see price retracting over here? No, because it's gonna be a retest of previous structure. Plus, I need to create a higher low to go to form that higher high eventually. So, and if it does goes to my stop loss, hey, beat it. Sorry, guys. Um, let's see here. You perfect, awesome. Voltron, do you know Donvo? Do. Oh, hold on, wait a second. Is that a kid trading in his parents' bedroom? Is he from Toronto? I don't know. Maybe. Not sure. Not sure. Donvo. Who the fuck is Donvo? I don't know. I don't chit chat with a lot of people. There's too much, fucking bullshit in this FX world. So I don't know. No clue. No clue. But there was a D something. D. I know the only reason why I know is because at one point he had a beef with Raja, because he was trying to do the same thing as him, or I can't remember what was the story. I just like I have no clue honestly. But I went on just to take a look, and he was streaming in his bedroom, so clearly he was in his parents' house, trying to tell people how to trade. For me, it's just like hard to, you know, how can you be credible when you trading from your bedroom? I don't know. It's just like so weird, so weird. I don't know. Another streaming trader. Okay, maybe. Don is controller effects. Oh yeah, that's that kid. Yeah, nothing against him. Nothing against him. I don't know. Maybe he's doing his thing and he's good. I have no fucking clue, to be honest. But yeah, yeah, he is a good guy streaming every day. Yeah, that's it, man. That's what I'm saying. It's just like, and at one point, don't get me wrong. There's no good or wrong way to trade. Just like they're just the way that works for you. The thing that works for you. Um, but I don't know, man. I mean, if you're because if you're claiming that you're making this and that, it's just weird that you're streaming in your bedroom. At least do an office in your basement. Even if your parents' house, just do an office in your basement or whatever, just I don't know, looks weird. It's just like it just looks weird. But that's just my personal opinion. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not saying the guy's not good. He's probably good. I have no fucking clue, to be honest. I look at that for like a couple of seconds. So I'm not here to start drama. I'm the guy that created the hashtag FX no drama. So FX no drama, baby. But yeah, it is what it is. Here, let's see here. That's okay, perfect. We answered that. Okay, cool. All right, awesome. Cheers, guys. I'm trying to make things simple. Hopefully it is. And yeah, that's it. He's capitals. Oh, that's great, cool for him. Cool for him. You know, when people need to, um, when people need to show that kind of stuff, like, all right, let me put it this way. Real successful people don't tell their numbers or show their stuff. Remember that. Mark Zuckerberg, he wears the same fucking white t-shirt day after day after day after day. Does he say, I owe this and I'm making this much? Do you know any real estate agent that makes a lot of money saying, hey, I made that much money on this house, on this house, and that house, and that house? No, man, they don't need to because they're making the money, right? So anyone showing up like this, for me, it's just like, what are you trying to prove? Maybe because I'm older. I'm 41 years old. I'm out of that little kids game, trying to show off, and that's great. That's great and cool. But yeah, when you need to show that, that means you need to prove something, or your, I don't know, man, your lack of confidence. I don't know what's going on. I'm not talking to him personally, by the way. I'm talking in general. In general, not to him. Not to him, because he's probably a great guy and nothing can get to him. But when people in this industry try to impress people by this, fuck that, man. Impress people by consistency and give them value. That's what I'm saying. Maybe I'm older. I don't know. Maybe I'm stupid. I don't know. But it is what it is. I've stopped drinking, or I'd be having a man. Come on, George, have a drink with me, bud. Uh, but here it's a different story. You have to show your result to win more fans. Yeah, no, that's for the week. That's for the week. That's for the week, guys. The difference is there's people that people need that attention, need people around them. They need those fans. They need those likes. They need, I said smash the like button, to build back this, because the only reason why I'm doing this is to bring value. I don't give a shit. If I have 0% or 1% or 2,000%, in all honesty, and for the people who've been following me for a while, and there's people gonna say, yeah, I don't give a shit. I'm doing that if I can help one person. I don't give a shit. I'm not doing this for money, because I'm making my money, you know trading, which is maybe the difference with other people. They need to build back fans and fans base, and trying to upsell stuff. I don't know what it is, but I know I don't need it. I just don't need to I don't need attention. I don't give a shit. you know for me, less people. I prefer less people, better quality people, than huge amount of fans which are super fucking stupid and ask a dumbass question. So that's how I see it. Bien dit, Simon. Merci. Je savais pas que tu étais là le jeudi soir. Respect pour toi. Je suis content de te voir, mon chum. All right. The education is more important than the signal, I think. Yes, totally. And don't get me wrong. Let's say, is the person making the most money the better teacher? Hell fucking no. Okay. And the proof is, let's say soccer, or American football or hockey, or is the coach, the coach that's going to bring his team to the Stanley Cup, is that the coach that make the most money? No. It's just the person that has the knowledge and are good to share that knowledge to the team. So that's what it is. You don't have the one. You don't need to be the one making the most money. You need the one to understand what he's doing and be able to show it. That's what it is. But yeah, that's my view on it. I don't need to show off. I will never. I will never do it. Because I don't give a shit. Let's see here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I think we went everything. This trade is still running 140 pips right now, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. This one I'm having 3% on it, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, I forgot to tell about the two losses. Shit, man. But we already 50 minutes. But I got two. Let me show it to you very quickly. Because I had two losses this week. Where are they? Yeah, this one here. This one here on CatGPY. And the note that I did. Oops. The note that I wrote here. All right. So mistake should have. I should have wait for the HL, which is higher low or potential higher low on H4, and to enter on the switch of structure on 30-minute or H1 instead of entering on H1 flip bullish on break of structure H1. So I'm gonna actually journal that so you can actually have access to my trading journal on Trixie. Yeah, so don't be shy to go take a look at it. I'm gonna start back journaling. I already journaled one trade and I'm gonna journal on that one. So that was one loss, 1%. So put it this way: this week I lost 1% of this one. I lost. Where is it? I got another one. Where's my other loss? NZCAD. All right, so NZCAD, I lost another percent here. So I lost 2%. Okay, and watch out. Here, Euro NZD. Here I made 8% because I was risking 1%. So I'm 6% up, right? I'm 6% up. And look at this. This is the power of the RR and letting your trade play. And I'm up 6%, right? So 8 minus 2, I'm up 6. So now if you look at the trade going on right now, even if I lose, I risk 3% of that one. That one I was a little harder on that one. So even if I lose 3%, I'm up 3% for the week. So I'm good. I'm good. I'm all good. But I'm still 6% up. And if this one hit, whew, this one is a 4.6 to 1 with a 3% risk. So I'll let you do the math. So yeah. So anyways, so that's pretty good. But I'm gonna break down those losses because it's very important. I don't want you guys to think I'm only showing my wins here. Just like I went out of it and talk about different stuff. So but I'm gonna do break it down into my journal. Yes, I've ever tried prop firm companies. Yes, at first, way back with funding talent. Yeah, with funding talent, for a little while. But I had the luxury to have my own capitals, and I did sold one of my businesses like a couple of years ago, so I had like pretty good capitals. So I've always been trading my own capitals mostly. I did test different companies for my students. What's your opinion on exactly? MFF is actually one of the one I tested. It was working well, did withdrawals, but after that, closed the challenge. But yeah, this one is good. MFF is good. I have no problem with them. Yeah, but yeah, I'm trading my own capital. Will you close that trade before the weekend or leave it? George, that is a good question. It all depends where it is going to be sitting at. Because the thing is, if I'm only couple pips in profits, market open and spread can be nasty, so I might close it. But if I'm like sitting at 100, like 40 pips, I'm safe. I'm gonna let it run during the weekend. But if I'm sitting like just a couple pips of profit, I might close it. Just to. And tomorrow is at NFP. So tomorrow's NFP. So that's the only thing I'm like a little like right now. So I I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I might close it early on that one. It all depends, but I'll keep you posted on my story. So make sure you're on my IG. I'll let you know. I'll let you know because tomorrow NFP, man, this shit can go wild. So it's either gonna break my TP or maybe stop me out. I don't know. NFP can be wild sometimes. So yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. But right now, if it will be closing the week like this, I will let it run. I will let it run over the weekend. That's because this exactly. Let me show you Euro and NZD because this is exactly what happened here. All right. So here it was on. Hold on. Wait a second. Let me see. Was it? Yeah. This was this. Why is saying? Oh yeah, I took that trade. I didn't realize that was one of the really rare trades I took on Sunday. I usually never take entries on Sunday because Sunday market open can sometimes can be super dumb. And this was actually one of my first trade taken on Sunday. Yeah, because I thought that this one I let it run during the weekend, but no, it was taken on Sunday. Sorry. Yeah. So any last question before we go, man? Because I did some overtime. This is the longest Forex talk over beer since a while. Usually I like take 30 minutes, 40 minutes ish. Now it took 1 hour. I'm telling you, my wife's gonna beat me right now. My wife's gonna beat me. Because I'm having a drink and she's not. You guys taking my time? I'm joking, guys. Like I said earlier, I'm here to help 1%. If I can help 1% with that stream, I'm good. You know, I'm good. Not hiding. Oh, I'm not hiding, bro. I'm not hiding. I'm just like I took a huge break during summer, but I was back. I was back like there and there. I'm just more quiet. I don't advertise, because I don't need it. I don't need to show up or I don't need this shit. I'm just doing this for fun to help you guys out. So, but now these days I'm streaming on Thursday night. So make that in your calendar or make sure you activate notifications so you'll know. So Thursday night for Stock Over Beer or Tuesday morning, I'll go live trading with you guys, either scalping or giving you swing trade ideas. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to do both, trading live with you guys as I've always been and being as transparent as I can and showing you everything basically. Yuva, give like to Sasha. Thank you, Yuva. Very appreciated. Very appreciated. So again, guys, thank you so much for being here tonight. Very appreciated. It's a comeback for Forex Talk Over Beer. So make sure you let people know that we are here to help people, not show up or show off, I should say. I'm not here to show off. I'm here to help people, which is two fucking different things. Okay. I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this for yourself, guys. For you. Okay. So, guys, I'll see you on Tuesday morning. Thank you so much for being here. And Tuesday morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, we're going to go live trading with you guys. All right. So thank you and have a good night.